create a program for the given number is input. The given number is even or odd. So first of all, we create a class, new class, we name it even, odd. We will copy from the so we doesn't have to type code manually. We take only single input. A modulus y2 equal to 0, then we will put odd, sorry, even. In this way, we will solve this simple program. First of all, we take the input and now we check by the ternary operator that if the we divide our number by 2 and if the remainder is 0, then it is even, either it is odd.